Tricks that help me get rid of acne. 15 skincare tips. Are you tired of dealing with stubborn acne? You're not alone. Acne can be a challenging and frustrating skin issue, but fear not, because we've got 15 skincare tips that have been game changers for many on their journey to clear, healthy skin. Let's dive in. 1. Gentle cleansing. Start with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of essential oils, leading to more breakouts. 2. Double cleansing. Consider a two-step cleansing routine. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and impurities, followed by a gentle foaming cleanser. 3. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Opt for chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid or glycolic acid. 4. Moisturize. Don't skip moisturizing, even if you have oily skin. Hydrated skin is less likely to overproduce oil,